Why do so many of the Philippines' biggest and most influential companies, the ones that shape the nation's economy, share a common thread, a shared heritage that binds them together? Just look around at the malls, those sprawling temples of commerce, the major banks that fuel the economy, and the countless stores that line our streets. A significant number of them were conceived and built by Filipino-Chinese entrepreneurs, individuals with a unique blend of cultures and business acumen. These aren't just fleeting businesses or ventures, they're carefully constructed dynasties, built on principles that go beyond mere profit, built to last not just years but generations, creating a lasting legacy. Their remarkable success isn't simply a matter of luck or chance, it's the result of a disciplined blueprint, a well-defined strategy that guides their every move, and it's a blueprint that anyone, regardless of background, can learn and adapt. Filipino-Chinese tycoons don't just think in quarters or fiscal years, they think in decades, planning for the long-term future. Their journey to the top often starts from humble beginnings, perhaps a small sari-sari store in the neighborhood, a modest trading post in a bustling market, or even a small shoe shop selling footwear to the local community. So, what's the secret to their enduring success? It's a combination of relentless hard work, a tireless dedication to their craft, a grand vision for the future, a clear understanding of where they want to be, and the daily discipline to execute their plans consistently and effectively. These empires are carefully built, brick by brick, designed to weather any economic storms or unforeseen challenges, and be passed down through generations, ensuring continuity and legacy, not sold off for a quick profit, prioritizing long-term growth over short-term gains. The tangible results of this philosophy are visible everywhere you look, from the towering bank headquarters, to the bustling airlines connecting the islands, and the ubiquitous retail chains that cater to every need. They stand as monuments to patience, strategic thinking, and unwavering dedication. But these valuable lessons aren't exclusive to the elite or the privileged few. The very same principles can transform a humble home bakery, operating from a small kitchen, into a thriving and expanding business, reaching new customers and markets. It's fundamentally about building something real and substantial, something truly valuable that provides lasting benefit and something enduring that stands the test of time. The scale of the operation may differ significantly from small to large, but the underlying philosophy remains consistently the same, regardless of size. Anyone can start with a small idea, a spark of inspiration, and nurture it, grow it, and develop it with the right mindset and approach. This is the essence of the Filipino-Chinese blueprint, a proven formula for achieving lasting success and building a legacy that endures. At the heart of the Filipino-Chinese business model lies a deeply ingrained philosophy. It's a philosophy where family is not just seen as employees, but as integral members of a shared journey. They are viewed as stewards of a legacy, entrusted with its growth and preservation. Every decision is carefully considered and made with the long-term future of the family business firmly in mind, ensuring its continuity for generations to come. This fosters a deep sense of commitment, shared purpose, and unwavering motivation. Profits aren't simply for lavish living or fleeting pleasures, they're strategically reinvested back into the business to strengthen its foundations and expand its reach. This ensures its continued success and prosperity for the next generation. Each generation sees themselves not as ultimate owners, but as caretakers, entrusted with its well-being. This mindset cultivates a strong culture of frugality, responsible spending, unwavering hard work, and deep-seated loyalty. Trust and unity within the family, and a strong bond with loyal employees, become an incredibly powerful and sustainable competitive advantage. For any entrepreneur, regardless of background, treat your business as your enduring legacy, no matter how small it may seem at the outset. Instill a sense of pride and ownership in both your work ethic and within your dedicated team. Strive to build a culture where everyone genuinely feels that they are an integral part of something much bigger than themselves. Protect your business fiercely, safeguarding it as you would your own cherished family name and reputation. Patience is an active strategy for Filipino-Chinese tycoons. They invest for the long term, buying undervalued assets and building infrastructure that pays off over decades. Frugality is key. Every peso is reinvested, not wasted. They avoid unnecessary debt and keep overheads low, especially early on. Vertical integration is a classic move. Control the supply chain, reduce costs, and build a business moat. This methodical expansion takes years, but creates unshakable empires. For you, shift your timeline. Think in years, not months. Make decisions for long-term growth, not instant gratification. Reinvest profits, upgrade skills, and always play the long game. Outlast those who only think about today. No empire is built alone. It requires collaboration, shared vision, and a network of trusted allies. Filipino-Chinese tycoons master the art of building deep strategic alliances. These alliances are not just transactional, they're about creating lasting partnerships. Their networks, built on trust and reciprocity, are safety nets in tough times, providing a cushion against unforeseen challenges, and launchpads in good times, propelling them towards new heights of success. They don't gamble. They take calculated risks, carefully weighing the potential rewards against the possible downsides, leveraging their network for information and support. Access to knowledge is power, and their network provides both. Partnerships are formed to share risk and combine strengths, creating a synergy that benefits everyone involved, often sealed with trust rather than paperwork. This agility lets them seize opportunities quickly. For entrepreneurs, start by being reliable. Pay on time, deliver on promises, and build a reputation for integrity. Seek collaborations with other businesses, cross-promote, and join local associations. Offer help as much as you ask for it. Every genuine relationship strengthens your safety net. When you're ready to take a risk, your network will support you. Build your own web of trust. It's your greatest asset. Together, you can achieve more than you ever could alone. Remember, success is rarely a solitary journey. Filipino-Chinese tycoons blend tradition with smart innovation. They don't chase every trend. They adopt technology that truly adds value. Family-run stores evolve with modern logistics and data analytics. Banks keep personal service but add online convenience. Even the humble convenience store uses tech to optimize products and manage franchises. The key innovation must serve the long-term vision, not distract from it. For your business, ground yourself in timeless values. Then find one smart innovation to make you better. Don't try to change everything. Master one new tool at a time. Blend wisdom of the past with tools of the future. Your own lasting empire starts with this mindset.